We'll guide you through how to unlock ChatGPT features so you can get the most out of your experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, usually found in the lower left corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu. Here, you should see an option labeled Features or Labs, depending on the version you're using. Click on that to access the feature management area. Next, you'll see a list of available features that can be unlocked. Some features may require you to have a specific subscription plan, so make sure your account is eligible. For instance, if you want to unlock advanced conversation skills or additional language support, you might need to upgrade to a premium plan. Follow the prompts to upgrade your subscription if necessary, and then return to the features list. Once there, toggle the switches next to the features you want to enable. Some features might require a quick restart of your session, so be sure to follow any on-screen instructions. After you've enabled the desired features, test them out by starting a new conversation with ChatGPT. You'll notice the enhancements immediately, like more nuanced responses or the ability to handle complex queries. This process is designed to be straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, checking the help section on the website can provide additional guidance. Remember, keeping your subscription up to date ensures continuous access to all the latest features ChatGPT has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.